Shanghai Honggang Manufacturing Company is the leading manufacturer of agriculture machines in China. So this is one of our working tractors. So this one is 12 horsepower, as you can see. Very easy to use, and it is very convenient. The diesel consumption is very low. It's very efficient and very effective. So with this one, you can use it to harvest, and you can also attach the trailer to be able to carry goods. Now let me show you something. Let me see something. See, so with this particular place here, as you can see, so you can attach the trailer or the plowing to this particular place. And then you can use it to plow. You can also use it to transport goods. If you are in the village, you can use this tractor as a means of transportation from your home to your village. And also when you finish harvesting your farm produce, you can use this working tractor to carry everything, because you just need to attach the trailer and you are good to go.